Hey everyone, it's Evan3B, and in today's video we're going to be doing Sons of the Forest, and this is right where we left from the last video. There's a hole down there, and we're in this cave. We came down that rope, so let's just get going, I guess.
Oh, Evan, we're already at the cave where we get the skull armor. Haha.
Is it? No, it's not.
Yep. Yes, it is.
Oh, we came from there. There's this way over here, though. That's dead end, never mind.
Oh, well, it's right back to where we came from.
Yeah, we haven't gone down here yet, though.
Oh, here. Don't get hit, yo.
Why'd you hit me, bro?
I didn't mean to. You stepped in front of me.
Bro, I'm eating a chocolate bunny.
The cloth is gone. Never mind. Up. Boo! Release me!
What? I thought there was a hole back there.
Starfish.
And it tastes kind of stale.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat that.
Well, I already am, and it really hurts to bite into. So, there's that.
Yeah, I don't think you should have eaten that.
Amen.
Oh my god,
What
my
the fuck
God.
happened to this hoe?
This is not a, this is a normal person.
Oh, she got an axe in the face. Evan over here. My game's starting to lag. That isn't good.
My game isn't
My
lagging.
game's starting to lag.
Where we came from. I think.
I told you this is the cave.
No, it's not.
Oh, no, this is where we came from. You were correct. This is pretty fun. Yep, we're good. We cleared the entire area.
Yeah, I knew it.
At least I think. I don't know.
Yeah, we did.
That's a little bit odd.
I call driving. I called dibs, bro. Bruh. I called dibs.
Let me explain first.
I'll let you explain.
The area that we are traveling to, you do not know. But the thing is, I know where it is. Therefore, it would be probably the smartest decision for me to take the wheel on this.
How about we just let Jesus take the wheel?
Fair enough.
It's
Let's
in the
go
back.
get in the passenger seat.
It's in the back.
Are you gonna drive?
I think
I
he's
don't
on
think
a.
Jesus wants to take the wheel.
Yes.
Okay, so you see that stream that we're about to go, dear? You see that stream?
What about a ghost
Like
here?
right ahead of us on the map? On the
Yeah.
map, on like the car map?
Yeah.
Keep on going up that stream and you should find a cave marked. So keep on going where that stream leads to. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Dude, run! Drive! Holy shit. Dude! Oh.
Get in.
Dude, I can't get in! Run! Just go. Dude, it won't let me in.
Oh shit.
Evan, bring the car back. I'm safe. I killed them both.
Guys, he doesn't know that I know this trick.
Straight drive, dude. Dude, you're not going to the stream.
Merrily.
I told you to go to the stream that was ahead.
I'm going this way. Round.
Dude. Okay, there is a cave next to a stream. I need you to go there.
Yeah, this stream you're talking about.
Hold up. Get out of the car.
Oh, do you mean this stream over here?
Stop. Fuck. Stop the car. Dude, stop the car. Are you blind?
I thought it was a small tree. They don't know I know this trick.
New fucking dude in town. Oh, damn.
Oh my
dismembered.
god.
Damn, this is some rough terrain. Alright. Evan, this is where I told you that there was cannibals that skewered 3 of our own men. Look down there, you see 3 men skewered. So
No, I
Evan,
don't.
Just jump down.
Oh, right here? I see him. Want me to bring the golf cart down?
No, keep it up there.
I thought the liquid would break my fall.
Yeah, this ain't Minecraft, bud. Alright.
No, it does,
so
but it's deep enough.
This is where all of our needs will be met. I'm hungry! Wait a minute!
About to back it up.
I'm stuck in the wall. Oh. I know this place.
So, how do we zip line? How do we zip line?
We need to get the zip line tool first.
Where the fuck do we get the zip line tool?
Different cave. Ugh.
Cool. Alright, I know where we need to go.
Where?
A few moments later.
Oh.
So, if I am correct, just hold up.
Oh. Scared me a little bit. What is that? Bro, I just realized
Why
you're
are
like
you eating human meat?
I just realized you're like really fat. And your character's like really fat.
Alright.
It looks like freaking queso. You're like morbidly obesity.
Morbidly obesity.
Exactly. Oh no. What is
Do you
this?
want to drop down there?
Here, I'll test out to make sure it's safe water.
Cowabunga.
Oh no, I died. I just missed the water. We're about to die so many times over.
Where are you going? Oh, there's a rope. I didn't see that.
Yeah, I was following you. I knew it was here though. Totally.
Definitely, huh? Alright, there's a rope right here.
Yeah, I know.
What the fuck are you laughing at?
Oh, we survived day 10. Let's go.
Evan, that gold stuff was Solifite. Oh yeah, that guy, he doesn't hurt you.
Oh, I just heard that and booked it. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know how to kill him.
Let me see.
Ugh. Here, let me look.
Can you
something.
back up, please?
Wait, hold up. When you get near him, he starts to hurt you. Oh, that could work. Oh, damn. Well, that's one way to do it.
You're welcome. Oh, there's literally C4
Thank you.
right here. I just wasted a perfectly good grenade. Yep, nope.
Yo, they got some nice vibe. Oh, Evan, hurry.
Oh shit.
Thank
I'm
you,
gonna die. Please help.
Here,
I need medicine, bro. Like, I need medicine. Oh my god. Why would you do that to me?
Oh, well, I'm dead.
Hey guys, this is Evan Sir B editing this video. I just want to let you guys know I added a death counter because we kept dying. Wow, okay.
Are you dead?
Yeah. Stupid, bro. Why is my thing white? My energy bar. Is it like capped or something? Why wasn't I using my axe? I don't know.
Get the fuck away! Oh shit. Sorry. kill him. Oh shit, damn. Just fucking disintegrated his ass. Dude, oh my god. There we go.
Are you serious?
Oh my fuck. Dude, I fucking hate this game.
Oh my god!
Help. Help. Help.
Why is there so many?
Holy shit.
I need bombs. I don't
Dude,
have any
oh
bombs.
my god, dude. I just get fucking torn up.
Oh, he's just dead, bud. Please help me.
Just an FYI, I died.
What's up, bitch? I'm not afraid of you anymore. Got it.
Oh, what the fuck? Why is there fetuses?
I don't know, but we should probably kill them because they look funny. So which way should we go? You want to split up or something?
Yeah, let's split up.
Alright, I'll go this way.
If you encounter an enemy, stop, alright?
Bro, why is this cave so big, bro? Well, we found the zipline gun.
Yes, we came here what we... Oh, carbon fiber arrow.
Wait, I thought there was more stuff over there, though.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, there was. Alright, I went back up. Oh my god, there's a creeper. There's a creeper.
Yeah, that was the one that I forgot to kill, but I am outside.
What the fuck? Do that, do that. Oh, let's go. I made it. Please, yes. Oh. Oh my god, bro. Do you take the golf cart? Oh, yes. This thing's way better than the golf cart.
Oh, yes. Yes. Evan, this way. Right here. Oh, I finally got it. I finally got it.
How much damage does it do?
Let me check.
It needs to be charged?
It's the same amount. I don't think it has to be charged. Yeah, it does. But it's the same amount as the club. Base damage, but it also does stun.
It has less base damage.
Evan, where'd our thing go?
Where'd our what go?
Golf cart.
Bro,
Where'd our golf cart go?
I don't know. I tried finding it, but it was just gone. from where we
Great.
were. I'm just gonna ride this thing everywhere I go now.
2,000 years later.
So, I killed a bunch of fucking cave dwellers.
What?
Evan! There's a cream.
Okay, why are you whispering? It's like 50 feet away.
Do you want to gang up on him?
Oh, looks like you have a
There's two.
friend.
There's two. Okay, here, I'm gonna get my stun pistol. Both stun him and beat the shit. Here, actually, let me load up my gun.
I wish I had my gun, but Virginia Puffton has it.
Alright. Here, you stun one, and I'll shoot him in the head.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, they are... How is he not dead? Why is he going after you?
I mean, I threw a Molotov at him. He's dead.
Killed him. Oh, dang, the shovel, yes.
What is this?
What the fuck happened here?
Always has to be a way out. Might not be as obvious. Where are we going?
Gonna go to the first.
2,000 years later.
You ran me over.
Dude, it sounded like you just got hit.
I did.
Hold up. Where's the shovel that we have?
It's in our inventory.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god.
Oh, this thing's actually not horrible, like. Dude, oh my god! Why do they have to be so annoying as shit?
And now you're not gonna win. Where are you? Oh. Don't
Attack
worry,
me.
I killed him.
Oh my god! You were wrong! I just got a shotgun!
Me too.
Oh yeah, he's foaming out the mouth too. Sigma, we got a GPS locator. Damn.
Alright guys, that's all for today's video. We've made overall a lot of progress. And the next episode, we're probably going to try to get that golden armor Eternal's talking about. See you guys in the next video. Bye.